guys, welcome to another evening vlog with me. I've got a lot to do, so we went out today to go and see my auntie and uncle before Christmas happened, and like always I left my room in a state, so we're going to tidy that up. But also I got more Christmas presents, so we're going to wrap today, but also I want to film another video, so I need to tidy my desk, film the video, and also I need to edit a video before 5 o'clock. So come with me for a productive evening routine, and then we're going to tune into our jammies after all this. I just finished filming the video. My iPad cut off, so I got some of it of me filming the TikTok, but yeah. I am now going to transfer the footage and edit the video, because I'm going to put that one up tonight. Hopefully I can get it edited quick enough. And then I need to film the rest of my TikTok for Vlogmas today. And then I'm going to tidy the rest of my room, and we might wrap some more presents. Quickly edit. Well, I say a quick edit, it wasn't actually a quick edit. It is now 5 o'clock. It is now 5 o'clock. And this is downloading, and then I need to put the Vlogmas intro in it and put it in CapCut. But I'm going to be uploading it at 6 o'clock. Tonight. 6 o'clock tonight. So if you've not watched this video and all my other Vlogmases, I will be making a playlist. There should be a playlist by the time this video's up. Go check it out. I'll try and remember to link it down below, but if I don't, go on my channel, go on my playlist, and it'll be Vlogmas 2024. Okay, I'm filming this, so there will be an aftermath. I'm going to proper try and tidy my room, try and tidy my room. If you can hear Zane in the background, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but I've got my favourite TikToker live, and she's a One Direction fan, and she's listening to Zane live, and I've went off to Instagram on his live, like to not actually watch his actual live, so it motivates me. Not so that motivates me, so I can actually get this done. So we're going to start with my desk. I even need to sort these out because I need room for my Christmas stuff. I've kind of sorted that out already. That's been tidied up. But let's start on this. Mocha time! And yes, it is in my Halloween cup. I've not got a Christmas cup yet, but I did get these from TK Maxx, and I love them, but I've not found any TK Maxx cups that are like this. I love their TK Maxx handles, they're really big, and because of my cerebral palsy, I need ones that I can make proper hold, because I can't catch it if I don't if I drop it with my other hand.